Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the iPhone 14 Pro Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 case that you can buy on their official website. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. In the realm of smartphone accessories, Pitaka has consistently set the bar high, and their MagEZ Case 3 for the iPhone 14 Pro is no exception. This video explores the exceptional features that make it the thinnest and lightest MagSafe-compatible aramid fiber phone case, offering not only functionality but also a touch of timeless luxury. Let's discuss the evolution of phone cases. Phone cases have evolved from basic protection to fashion statements, and the MagEZ Case 3 seamlessly blends these aspects. It embodies the delicate balance between robust protection and stylish design, setting a new standard in the world of smartphone accessories. Pitaka takes pride in presenting a case that redefines slimness and lightness. With a minimum thickness of 0.95 mm and a weight of just 17.3 grams, the MagEZ Case 3 ensures your iPhone 14 Pro remains featherlight while still being fully MagSafe and MagEZ 2 compatible. Beyond aesthetics, user comfort is paramount. The MagEZ Case 3 features a skin-friendly 3D grip, providing not only a secure hold but also a premium feel in your hands. Pitaka's commitment to a superior grip ensures that your phone stays comfortably nestled in your palm. Crafted from durable yet lightweight aramid fiber, the MagEZ Case 3 offers unparalleled protection without compromising on weight. Aramid fiber's strength makes it an ideal choice for safeguarding your iPhone 14 Pro against everyday wear and tear. Recognizing the importance of smartphone cameras, the MagEZ Case 3 includes a raised lip for enhanced camera protection. This thoughtful design element ensures that your camera remains shielded, even when placing your phone on various surfaces. Pitaka understands that style is a personal statement. The classic black-gray and black-green options exude timeless luxury, seamlessly complementing the sleek design of the iPhone 14 Pro. The Fusion Weaving series, including Overture and Rhapsody, adds a touch of never-before-seen style, instantly elevating the fashion quotient of your new iPhone. Attention to detail is evident in the chamfer cutting of the MagEZ Case 3. This not only makes the case look slimmer but also enhances the overall comfort when holding your iPhone 14 Pro. Pitaka's dedication to ergonomic design shines through in this subtle yet impactful feature. The Fusion Weaving series stands out due to Pitaka's proprietary fusion weaving technique. This innovative process ensures a unique granular texture, known as 3D grip, on the surface of the aramid fiber case. This results in excellent grip and a premium feel, adding a touch of sophistication to your device. In conclusion, I must say that for those seeking the epitome of elegance and practicality, the MagEZ Case 3 from Pitaka is the answer. Its fusion of slim design, lightweight construction, and stylish options makes it the perfect choice for iPhone 14 Pro users who refuse to compromise on aesthetics or protection. So guys, this was the video about the iPhone 14 Pro Pitaka MagEZ Case 3 case. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.